Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can update logo on your WordPress website. First of all, you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. After login, you can click on website name, click right and open on the new tab. When you open on the new tab, you will see your website front page. Then go to click on customize button. When you click on customize, here you will see site identity option. You need to click it and select logo. Upload logo file on your desktop. Click on select button. Here you can resize your logo. Click on crop image. Here you can see logo have been updated. Here you can put on your site title, tagline. For example, my shop is my website title, and here is a tagline. You can delete it if you want to just display logo. Click on publish. Your logo have been published. Now you can view your website front page. Here you can see. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for getting more informative video.